The weather is beautiful today. How about going to the beach?
That sounds like a great idea. I haven't been to the beach in a while.
Which beach should we go to?
How about the one we visited last summer? It had a nice stretch of sand and clear water.
Do we need to pack anything specific for the beach?
We should bring sunscreen, towels, beach chairs, and some snacks and drinks.
Should we bring any beach games or activities?
Yes, let's bring a beach volleyball and a frisbee. They're always fun to play with.
What time should we leave for the beach?
We should aim to leave around 10 a.m. That way, we'll have plenty of time to enjoy the day.
How long does it take to drive to the beach?
It usually takes about 45 minutes, depending on the traffic. So, we should leave early to avoid any delays.
Do we need to pay for parking at the beach?
Yes, there is a parking fee. We should bring some cash to cover that.
What's the plan for lunch at the beach?
We can pack some sandwiches, fruits, and snacks. It's always nice to have a beach picnic.
Should we bring an umbrella for shade?
Yes, it's a good idea to bring an umbrella or a beach tent to provide some shade during the hottest hours.
What about swimming in the sea? Is it safe?
The beach we're going to has lifeguards on duty, so it should be safe. But we should always be cautious and swim within designated areas.
Can we rent beach chairs and umbrellas at the beach?
Yes, there are rentals available. If we don't want to carry too much, we can consider renting chairs and umbrellas there.
Do we need to bring any identification or beach permits?
It's always good to have your ID with you. As for beach permits, I don't think we need any for this particular beach.
Is there a nearby place to grab ice cream or a cold drink?
Yes, there's a beachside cafe where we can get refreshments. It's just a short walk from the beach.
What time should we start heading back?
We should plan to leave the beach around 5 p.m. That way, we'll beat the traffic and still have some time to relax at home.
I'm really looking forward to spending the day at the beach.
Me too. It's going to be a fun and relaxing day.